Hello, Virgo. So if you are Virgo, Sun, Moon, or Rising signs, this message may be for you. Take what resonates and always be true to yourself. So let's see what's going on with Virgo. First card. Oh, we got 5 of Cups, disappointment. So with this, I feel like whatever you guys are creating and your goals, doing something that's very fulfilling, you're not feeling something in this situation that you could be feeling like whatever you're doing, putting your energy into this creation, you could be feeling like it's not working out in the way that you were planning for it to be. And you could be thinking about how are you going to fix this? How are you going to change this? Looking for a solution. Yeah, so this is the 6 of Wands is victory. So this is what you feel is challenging for you right now in this situation. But I feel like you guys are very able to do this. And it's because you guys know how to tweak things, because you want things to be like just right. This could be like your own like worst critics. And that's what makes you guys do amazing things. Although you guys could be hard on yourselves. So I feel like that's a challenge for you guys right now. This is also the 3 of Cups. This is your goal, like happiness, fulfillment, and everything to flow. And I feel like you guys, whatever you guys do, could affect other people around you. And so the way you express yourselves is very important. So you could be thinking about, how am I going to express myself in a way that, you know, it's going to feel like this, you know, it's going to feel like love. It's going to feel like it's going to be perfect. It's going to be just right for success, and something that, you know, you put, because you do it with your heart, and you do, I want to say your heart and your soul. So you could be feeling like things are not going the way you had planned or hoping, and I feel like you guys are looking for a way to tweak it, whether it's how you go about putting something out, or how you express yourselves, or I feel like you guys are looking for how you can tweak something to make it better, different, feel more like this. The Ace of Cups. So I feel like you guys are feeling pretty hopeful in the recent past about this. Feeling very hopeful, being more expressive about whatever it is that you're doing, your goals. And now we have the Aeon. The Aeon is it's rebirth. So you're going through a big rebirth right now, like a transformation. I feel like you guys are going through a big, you could have gone through like I want to say like a dark night of the soul, and coming out to the other side, and it's changing you, and that's going to bring in like the answers for this. I feel whatever this is, and I feel like whatever you guys so you guys have a lot of tools in your toolbox, and that helps you with whatever it is that your goals are, whatever you're doing, your work, and especially if it's helping other people. And I feel like you're adding whatever experience you're going through right now with this, and this is adding to your toolbox, because that will come out in your knowledge and experience when it is whatever you guys do. And look, you have the Sun card here. This is the near future card, and it just makes you more relatable and more you have more knowledge, more stuff to give out, more stuff to spread out here. This is the goal. This is a future card, the Sun, and this is success, happiness, things going great. You can see there dancing over there in the Sun. All those beautiful colors, powerful colors. The Sun is power. The Sun is power. And here we have the Two of Swords, peace. So right now you could be feeling a little quiet, a little withdrawn, a little bit kind of like the hermit, going somewhere and meditating, or trying to think of solution, trying to think of, you know, how are you going to make this happen? How are you going to make this happen? So this is how you guys could be feeling right now. And you're going through this transformation, this beautiful transformation. Because what they say, There is no light without darkness. And we have the Ace of Swords here. So I feel like you guys are seeing things around you. And I want to say specifically like how other people are doing things. You learn from watching other people. You learn from watching other people, and I want to say you learn from watching other people's mistakes, and that gives you ideas, and you learn from that. You take notes, and then you apply it to your own situation, and that's one of the ways you may tweak things. For some of you guys, that goes with how you speak and communicate. What not to say, how not to do, things like that. Of course, take what resonates because everyone's situation is different. Then you have the Lovers card. So this is on your mind right now too. So you could be also feeling a desire for love in, this can mean a lot of things, but I feel like for you guys, it can mean relationships and love relationships. It can also mean a decision, making the right decisions and not making a mistake when you make a decision. So this could be making a careful decision here, not to go with something that just might seem like it's better, to really do your research on something. And for some of you guys, it could mean that you want more love, want more passion, or more intimacy in relationship, or you want love to come in. If it's, if you're single, you may be looking for that. It could be on your mind. And if you're with someone, you may be looking for more love in that relationship, more time with that person. The Ten of Swords. This is a near future card, and this card, don't be afraid of this card. So just a heads up, in case you guys go through something while this, because you have something good coming in. So if something happens outside of you that takes you out of your a good, clear-minded headspace, interferes with your thoughts, intrusive thoughts, limiting thoughts, this is just a card to say to keep yourself grounded. Don't let it block. Don't allow it to block this coming in, and this coming in, because maybe there's a time here that is sensitive right now for you guys, and so the mind can get full of things, and some of you guys know this, and maybe you guys have a lot of tools to deal with this, and so this is a great time to pull those tools out, the tools that you give to others, to help themselves to use those tools to keep yourself grounded so that you don't get blocked. And it also means that difficult times could be passing, because the 10 is the worst part of that time. So you could be getting over that. And it's about not falling into that rabbit hole. It's about staying here, goal-minded. And you have the Chariot and the Lust card. So this is about moving forward. So there could be things here, and it's about climbing that mountain, even, just if there's a big stone that you got to step over, it's about stepping over that stone and not stopping there, because the Chariot is about things moving, something you worked on for a long time, and finally things are going to move. And then you have the Lust card, which is the Strength card in tarot, but in this deck, this card means being your authentic self, being your true self, and not being shy about who you are and what you do. And it's about really feeling your true self, feeling the love for yourself. It's about feeling your true power and your creativity, your abilities, and not holding back. So it's about being your true self. And this is, you have put a lot of time and energy into what you guys have been doing, and there's a lot here. There's a lot of knowledge, there's a lot of experience, there's a lot of power. And I also want to say, you guys, a lot of you guys in this reading may even have the ability to teach things here. So I feel like you guys help a lot of people. So this is about things moving, being known for that, successful, people see that. So this is a good time in the near future to keep your head up and feel how powerful you are, and not hold back, to shine. This is your time to shine. I feel like that's coming. So whatever you guys are going through, you're going to add this experience to your toolbox, this knowledge, and I feel like it's going to help you. And whatever you guys do, it's going to ripple out. How you express yourselves and how you communicate and whatever you guys do, it's going to ripple out to those around you guys. So take care. Be well.